All right, so this one is pretty simple. All you have to do is put this clip in here to secure the seat belt right here. Well, right now it's pretty secured, but they are adding this clip right here. So basically, line this up right there, and it's gonna go in. There we go. If the clip it's not seated properly, we have to go replace the whole seatbelt assembly. But since this clip goes in easily, no further action needed. This one is pretty secured. Yeah, let's go ahead and work on the other side. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So, not sure if you guys can able to see it, but same thing. Line this up right there. And sometimes you're gonna use your pocket screwdriver to press this in. There we go. It's in now. All right. So with this recall, we're gonna get paid 3/10 for this. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.